Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super nice, fluffy and cushion and padded Sherpa recliner that this brand sent to me for the video. I have to say that this one, it is really comfy. It is extra easy to assemble. You're not going to have any issues. It's going to take you about like 5 minutes, no more than that, because the only thing you will have to put together is just this one right here, the back support. You're going to just kind of like slide it in and secure in this place and then put up the legs, and that's it. Which, by the way, the bottom part on the legs is kind of like a rubber pad, so it won't damage your wooden floor. And this one supports 265 pounds. So just by this size, I think it could be really good for kind of like an accent place, like an accent chair, like a corner, this one like reading corner, and also for like an entertainment room, because this one is a recliner. Let me show you some of the aspects of it before I actually show you the recliner. So it's padded everywhere, as you can see right here. It's padded. It is super firm right here, kind of like in the centerpiece. It is cushioned but firm more than anything, and it's more cushioned right here and fluffy right here on the lower back area, as well as the headrest over here. So this is what is going to give a really nice sitting experience when you're reclining. This is a manual one. It's not a kind of like a mechanical one or electric one. This is a manual one. I'm going to show it to you right now in a few seconds. But the bottom line is that this one is super soft, really nice to the touch. And also you're not going to be sweating too much, because this one, if you're kind of like wearing shorts or something like that, you're not going to be sweating that much. But then let me show you the recliner. So the only thing you have to do is just like apply some pressure, some weight right here on the back. And once you're there, you kind of like keep pushing and just do the, oh my goodness. You can see how nice this is. For taking my cat is about to jump, I think. So for taking a nap or something like that, this is actually so nice. It is so comfy, so fluffy, so well padded and cushioned that this is a nice one to have as a corner for like entertaining, or just like watching TV, or just like an accent chair. And then the only thing you have to do just to put it back in the other position is just like this. And you're all set. By the way, it kind of like locks itself in one position, just like there. It locks itself in this position, and then you can keep pushing and just put it to the max. And then again, one more time, you are all set. This is so nice, super comfy, really easy to assemble, 265 pounds weight limit, and of course, fluffy and really comfy for this super nice reclining experience. I like it. Thumbs up, recommend. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.